So now we are going to solve few interesting questions to check whether we are clear with our pattern concept or not. Okay. So are you all ready? So here is your first question. Okay. You have to complete the series. Now the question, it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and next you have to write the answer. Okay. And your answers are 15, 30, 35, and 40. Okay. So now it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we all know that it is having a skip count of plus 5. We are skipping all the questions with a count of 5. So similarly, after 25, what will be the next answer? So you have to again skip with 5. So after 25, the another 5 digit counting from 25 will be 30. Okay. So your right answer will be option B, 30. Clear? Are you ready for the next question? Okay. So here is my next question. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and you need to fill in the answer. Your options are 20, 24, 18, 30. Okay. So understand the pattern first. 3, 6, 9, 12. So here we are counting plus 3 and we are doing a skip counting of 3, right? So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15. So what will be 15 plus 3? It is 16, 17 and 18. So option B, I'm sorry, option C is my right answer, which will be 18. Okay. So are you ready for the next pattern of questions? Okay. So here is your next tricky question. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tell me what will come after this. Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 3? Or is it 4? So are you able to identify this pattern, children? What pattern is this? You got it correct. It is a repetitive pattern, right? 1, 2, 3. Again it is coming 1, 2, 3. So what will be here? It will be 1. Very good. So option A is the right answer. Understood? Shall we do some more? Okay. So here is your next question. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then you need to find in the answer. Answer is 60, 70, 100, 150. So what pattern is this? This is an increasing pattern. Very good. You got it correct. It's an increasing pattern where we are doing a skip counting of plus 10. Right. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 40. 40 plus 10 50. 50 plus 10 will be good 60. So option A is my right answer. Okay. Shall we move further? Okay. So here is my next question. 200, 190, 180, 170, 160, and then you need to find what will be the answer. Whether it is 140, 130, 150, 120. Okay. So, The question given is 200, 190, 180, 170, 160. So what is the pattern that is being followed here, children? Just see and tell me. Great. It is the decreasing pattern, right? The numbers are getting decreased by minus 10. 200 to 190 is minus 10. 190 to 180 is minus 10. So similarly, what will come after 160? So 160 minus 10 should be 150. And where is 150 here? It is option C. Great. So shall we do the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you need to fill in the series. Okay. And your options are 0, 1, 2, 3. The next one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your next one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your last option is none of these. Okay. So which pattern is followed in this question, children? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which pattern is followed here? Good. It is the increasing pattern because by every number, a number is getting added to its place, units place, right? So what will be the next number after this? After 4, what you will be having? It will be 5. So which option do you think is the right answer? Very good. It is option C, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shall we do some sums with the alphabetical pattern? So now I have few alphabetical series of questions coming for you. Let's see how fast we can solve them. Okay. So are you all ready? Here we go. So your next question is AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, and you have to complete the series. Your answer will be FF, GG, HH, and II. So what pattern is being followed here? AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, and then after E what will come? Good, it will be F. So option A, FF is my right answer. Okay, children? Clear? Shall we do the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. Your next one is A, B, AA, BB, AAA, and then you need to complete the series. The answer is AB, ABC, BBB, BBA. So can you see the pattern, children? It says A, then B, then AA, BB, then AAA. What will be the next one? Good. It will be BBB. 3 B's, right? Where can you see 3 B's here? Good. It is option C. Okay. Shall we do the next one? Okay. Here is your next question. A, AB, ABC, ABCD and complete the pattern. Your option is E, F, then EFG, then ABCDE and D, none of them. So, which one is the right answer? A, AB, ABC, ABCD. The next will be good. It will be ABCDE. It is an example of an increasing pattern. Very good. So, the next question here for you is ABAB, ABA, AB, and what is the next answer? It's ABAB, A, BA and ABCD. So, what do you think is the right answer here? This is an example of decreasing pattern. Yes. So, ABAB, then ABA, then AB. The last one will be good. It will be A. So, are you clear with the alphabetical patterns, children?